Mercedes-Benz has unveiled a new concept car designed for a villain like Cruella de Vil. The new Vision Iconic is a low-slung two-door electric coupe with classic, beautiful proportions. Even though this is an electric concept, Mercedes offers no indication of range or charging times. The most remarkable aspect of the EV is the photovoltaic paint, which coats the car and can harness the sun's energy to charge the battery. Think of it as a solar panel, but all over. The grille on the Vision Iconic pays homage to and reinterprets the radiator grilles of the brand's past. Though it still appears a little garish, this model's chrome frame, smoked glass lattice, and contour lighting make it far more opulent than the GLC's enormous grille, at least. Cruella de Vil would likely drive the rest of the concept. Its body is very similar to the Mercedes-Benz 540K Autobahn Courier from 1938. However, Mercedes drew inspiration for the grille from the W108, W111, and 600 Pullman, while the famous 300 SL impacted the rear. Inside, the Art Deco inspiration continues with a floating glass dash structure known as the Zeppelin by Mercedes, a beautiful four-spoke steering wheel, and an AI companion. The bench seat is upholstered in blue velvet, and the floor is covered in blue straw marquetry, a 17th-century ornamental technique that enjoyed a renaissance in the 1920s. Mercedes does not release any specific powertrain details, but the idea is electric, and it does incorporate a steer-by-wire system. The car has solar paint, which can increase range from the sun. According to the company, this paint on a mid-size SUV may create enough energy to add up to 7,450 miles of range each year in optimal conditions. It also lends the coupe a sinister look. The Vision Iconic also incorporates neuromorphic computing. It's a computing architecture designed to mimic the human brain, allowing for faster and more efficient AI calculations. Mercedes claims it could use the computing power to improve traffic sign recognition, recognize other vehicles, and reduce the energy requirements for automated driving. The Vision Iconic has Level 4 autonomy and automated parking, allowing passengers to rest during their ride. It also gives its customers back time by relieving the driver of the responsibility of parking the car. The car is still a concept, but we can expect to see the grille in multiple designs, as well as other design cues, on future Mercedes models such as the upcoming S-Class EV. We hope the Vision Iconic goes into production, but a big electric coupe is unlikely to be popular. Perhaps a V8 could change that.